breakouts, and trends that paid. Here's how we traded them. Some of our VIPs are in positions that have gained 10, 15, 20% or more over a couple of weeks, and they did it by focusing on two things: clean and simple base breakouts and riding the trend. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how we approach these four trades: ARK, Boeing, QLD, and SSO. I'm going to walk you through the setups, the entries, and how we manage them, whether it was a fast breakout or a longer-term hold. Trends pay, folks. You got to remember that. We try to ride them. Admission winners, we're breakout traders or investors. We're also trend followers. As I just stated, we look for clean and simple setups. When a breakout starts to trend, we stay with it. That's the kicker. Let it work. Trends pay more than all the decisions we'll make. And we add to, when the market gives us opportunities, that's our edge. So let's go in and look at some of these. Pictures worth 1,000 words. Let's rock on. Here we go. ARK, this was a keyless stock, all right? All these were keyless stocks, broke out right through here, and note the volume pickup right there. Breakout at June 6th. Today's date, July 23rd, so about 6 weeks. That's serious progress. That's serious money. And again, the breakout date right here at June 6th, riding up the trend. What kind of return are we talking about? 60 to 76? Do the math. That's good money. That's what we're after. Also note the trend of the ADMA. Riding trends helps. This is the 50-day simple, the 21-day exponential, the 8-period exponential moving average line. Again, ride trends. Here's the next example for us. Boeing. BA is the ticker symbol. I think you all know it. Here it is. This was also a keyless stock. There were a couple of earlier attempts where it started to go and then fizzled. Okay. And then there was this longer base breakout right here. Okay. It's longer, cleaner base. Also, note simple base and pushes through tops with volume. People voted. How's it responded? By voting. Price action backed by volume. Date on it's right there on June, July 9th. Okay. Entry price, we'll call it 220 to 233. That's good money in a short period of time. 13 days, and it's still trending. We just let it work and see where it goes. It's a clean chart. Volume confirmation. People talk with their mouths and vote with their pocketbook. And folks, they voted. No guesswork. I like that. Let's rock on here to another one. What do you say? And again, these are all owned. QLD, this is 2 times the NASDAQ ETF. The NASDAQ movement ETF. I love QLD. Okay, we try to ride it as long as possible. QLD broke out here and then massaged around. Then there was another lift right here on June 24th. Good. Volume on that bar. And again, note the volume and the price move working up here. This is right through here about 10 points. 10 points the easy way, and we're letting it work. It's owned. We've also locked some profits in, so we're in good shape. And again, I'll take 10 points in 4 weeks. Any day of the week, any month of the year. What the heck? SSO, simple base breakout right there, had good volume pushing through these tops. And again, note the trend. Now, this is 2 times the S&P 500. I love QLD and SSO. Picture this. QLD, you own the 100 biggest NASDAQ stocks with leverage, but you own 100 of them. You got diversification. S&P 500, SSO, you own 500 of them. And watch the trend again of the 8 EMA. It works. Entry was right. In here, we'll call it $94. 94 up to 102. That's a good return in a short period of time. But more importantly, it's doing it with no hassle. The stock hasn't closed below the 8 EMA for this entire move. That's what we're after over and over, and it works. So what do? Let's recap it, folks. We're looking for simple base breakouts that everybody sees. We wait for it to push through with volume confirmation, telling us other people see it and they're voting. That's called buying on strength, folks. And then we let it work. We just let it work. That's our process. That's what we teach. This is what I've done for years, and it makes us money. Anyway, just wanted to share this with you. These are just a few of them that are owned by us by VIPs, and it works. Breakout entries, riding trends, and simple clean base setups that everybody can see. If you're interested in it, check us out at Mission Winners. Try to buy at the right time, and we'll let it work.